एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम हिमानी. So this is your February month's affirmations. As you know, you can see affirmations daily on my blog. Also monthly I upload video for affirmations based on the zodiac sign. So for new subscribers, I would like to tell you it's a positive thoughts which we can recite every day to make us more positive and happy, and all our wishes are going to be granted by the universe, because whenever we are positive we manifest good fortune and all our wishes get fulfilled. So it's a general prediction. Have faith in the universe and definitely your wishes will be granted. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new and press the bell icon so that you will be the first person to get the notification of my new videos. Also, I make comedy shorts which will definitely make you laugh. Do check that out as well, and share this affirmation video with your family and friends so that they can also be positive and enjoy this affirmations and recite it daily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I will put down timeline description of all the all the zodiac signs, so you can check your own zodiac and plan your and recite it accordingly. Also, I will put down my email ID, my Insta ID, my Facebook ID for you to reach out to me easily and follow my page. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First zodiac is Aries, that is Mesh Rashi. So let's see what is the affirmation for Aries for the month of February. So we have the affirmation for Aries is, it is okay to think differently from others. Today I will ensure my very own voice is heard and acknowledged. So you have to recite this affirmation. Today I will ensure my very own voice is heard and acknowledged. So everybody thinks differently. So you have to make sure that your voice is heard when you are sitting in a gathering where we have to talk about opinions, different things, and our voices have to be heard. So this is the best affirmation for you, Aries. Today I will ensure my very own voice is heard and acknowledged. So all the best, Aries. Now let us move ahead and check the affirmation for Taurus, that is Vrishab Rashi. Let's see. Okay, so Taurus, for you the affirmation is, my bones and muscles are healthy and strong. Today I take a vow to work on making my body fitter with wholesome food and exercise. Very beautiful affirmation, Taurus. So you have to be healthy and fit. For that you have to take this affirmation. Today I take a vow to work on making my body fitter with wholesome food and exercise. So this affirmation, when you will recite, definitely you will get positivity to do exercise and eat nutritious food and make your body fitter. So all the best, Taurus. Now let us move ahead and check the affirmation for Gemini, that is Mithun Rashi. Let's see the affirmation for Gemini. Okay, so Gemini, for you the affirmation is, to be truly free one needs to have an unrestricted mind. Today I promise to free my mind and empower myself to experience new and beautiful things. So if we are restricted with ye nahi karna, wo nahi karna, yahan nahi jana, wahan nahi jana, so we will not enjoy life. We will stick with particular things, and during some time we will get bored. So this is a wonderful affirmation, Gemini, for you, that is, today I promise to free my mind and empower myself to experience new and beautiful things. So you will enjoy new and beautiful things, new adventures, and you are not restricted to anything. So all the best, Gemini. Now let us move ahead and check the affirmation for Cancer, that is Kark Rashi. Let's see the card. Okay, so Cancer, for you the affirmation is self criticism is the enemy of self compassion. So today I will observe my thoughts and actions without judgment. I will free myself of inner criticism and remember that no one is perfect, not even me, and that's okay. Beautiful affirmation, Cancer. तो हम कभी कभी खुद की ही बुराइयां करने लगते हैं कि वो कितना अच्छा है और मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, आई एम नॉट गुड, आई हैव दिस वीकनेस, आई एम बैड. Everybody is not perfect, so you have a very beautiful affirmation to recite this month, Cancer. Today I will observe my thoughts and actions without judgment. I will free myself of inner criticism and remember that no one is perfect, not even me, and that's okay. So all the best, Cancer. Now let us move ahead and check the affirmation for Leo. Let's see the affirmation. Okay, so this is the affirmation, Leo. Things always seem impossible until we get them done. Things always seem impossible until we get them done. Today I will choose a task, big or small, and take the first step towards accomplishing it. So Leo, this is a very beautiful affirmation for you. क्योंकि कई बार out of fear or out of judgment or anything, we don't feel like doing things and we feel that it is impossible for us to do, but we know that we are capable of doing this. So you have to recite this positive thought to make you self confident that you can do that. So what you will do, today I will choose a task, big or small, and take the first step towards accomplishing it. So ये रिसाइड करते रहो तो आपकी लाइफ में अगर कोई बिगर गोल आता है, यू विल डेफिनेटली अकम्प्लिश इट. सो ऑल द बेस्ट, लियो. नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड एंड चेक द अफर्मेशन फॉर वर्गो, कन्या राशि. लेट्स सी. ओके, so Virgo, for you the affirmation is everyone is worthy of empathy and compassion. Today I shall remember that we are all alike on the inside. I will spend more time loving and less time judging. Very good. So stop judging people, stop thinking about they have said this, they have said that. So what you have to do is you have to recite this affirmation. Everyone is worthy of empathy and compassion. Everybody has a Buddha nature. So you have to respect everyone without judging. So keep on reciting this. You will automatically feel compassionate towards people. So how it is? Today I shall remember that we all are alike on the inside. अंदर से हम सेम हैं. I will spend more time loving and less time judging. Very beautiful affirmation, Virgo. Believe in others, have compassion for them, and you will see the result. All the best, Virgo. Now let us check the affirmation for Tula Rashi, that is Libra. Let's see the affirmation. Okay, so Libra, for you it's a beautiful affirmation. I am happy. Today I choose to freely show the world my small and big reasons for happiness. I welcome others to bask in the glow of my joy. So very beautiful affirmation. You are happy. हम happy कहीं बाहर से नहीं आता, हम खुद ही we have our own hold for happiness. So you have to keep on reciting this. I am happy, I am happy. You will definitely be happy. Today I choose to freely show the world my small and big reasons for happiness. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में you should be happy. then you will get a bigger happiness. I welcome others to bask in the glow of my joy. आप दूसरों को भी इन्वॉल्व करते हो अपनी छोटी छोटी खुशियों में, एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल सी द रिजल्ट. ऑल द बेस्ट Libra. Let us check the affirmation for Scorpio, that is Vrishchik Rashi. Let's see the affirmation. So Scorpio, for you the affirmation is, mistakes are teachers and we should accept the lessons they offer. Today I will remember to own my mistakes and forgive myself. I'm learning and growing through it all. So don't feel don't keep grudges against your mistakes, or don't regret, or don't hold on mistakes and not see the opportunities or not feel like happy. So what you have to do is, mistakes are your teachers and you should accept the lessons they offer. So जो गलतियां की उनसे सीखो and आगे बढ़ो. That's what the affirmation is. So today I will remember to own my mistakes and forgive myself. I am learning and growing through it all. Very beautiful affirmation, Scorpio. All the best. Now let us move ahead and check the affirmation for Sagittarians. Let's see what is stored for Sagittarians. Okay. Sagittarians, for you the affirmation is, dreams are nothing but visions of the future. Today I give myself the permission to dream big without any limits and straight from the heart. So dream big. That is what the affirmation is. Don't fear. So this is the vision of your future. You have to dream big for securing your future. So give yourself permission to dream big without any limits. That should come from the heart. All the best, Sagittarians. Very beautiful affirmation. Now let us move on to Capricorn, Makar Rashi for the affirmation. Okay. So Capricorn, for you is, anxious feelings are like visitors and won't stay forever. Today I will think positively and remember that all my troubles and worries will one day fade away. Very beautiful affirmation, Capricorn. Just keep on reciting that all your worries and troubles will fade away soon. So why to worry? Why to be anxious? Why to be serious? They are like visitors. They don't stay permanently. So you have to recite this. Today I will think positively and remember that all my troubles and worries will one day fade away. Very beautiful. They will fade away, and surely they will fade away. All the best, Capricorn. Now move on to second last zodiac, Aquarius, for their affirmation. Okay. Affirmation for Aquarius: on the map of my life's journey, the lines on my face are the roads I have traveled. Today I shall remind myself that growing old is a privilege, and I will show myself immense empathy and compassion. Love yourself, basically. That's what this affirmation is. Growing old is a privilege. Very beautifully written. So don't feel disheartened that you are growing old and you are, your body is not good, you are not good, your hair are graying. That's not the right way of positivity. You are growing old, you should be happy. Today I shall remind myself that growing older is a privilege, and I will show myself immense empathy and compassion. Very beautiful affirmation, Aquarius. Do recite this. All the best. Now the last zodiac, Pisces, for the affirmation. Okay. Pisces, for you the affirmation is, the universe is a source of an endless abundance and unending possibilities. Today I will open to ask and receive. Very good. Just do your hands, like this in front of the universe and say, today I will be open to ask and receive. Ask abundance, ask opportunities, ask possibilities. So universe has lots of possibilities and abundance. You have to open your hand to ask and receive. So today I will be open to ask and receive. All the best, Pisces, and thank you everyone for watching this affirmations. I hope you will recite this and stay positive. Till then, take care. Happy February. Bye bye.